If you like to hike, or maybe you want to prepare for emergencies, maybe you're a prepper and you're not going to be around any clean water, you might want to give this a try. With this water straw, what you can do is you can put water in one end, dirty, nasty water, and it's going to come out this end clear. And I'm actually going to give you a demo here in a minute, but there are a few things I want to go ahead and show you this. Now, what's great about this, it does have directions on here. It's showing you the water flow, so which direction it's going to go. You're going to put a water bottle here, which I'll do that in a second, and then on this side, that's where you're actually going to drink from. We've got a little tip cover right here. Also got a lanyard you can use, and it also has some more information down here. So what's important is each straw here is good for up to 1,800 gallons. It is going to go ahead and clean the water down to 0.1 microns, super small. And it does say that the average person drinks 182 gallons per year. So this is going to last for quite a while. This could last definitely for several people, which is no problem. I mean, it's light. It weighs probably just really a few ounces without any water in it. And the length of it is not very long at all. It's right around, probably about 8 inches or so. Now, when you do receive it, it's going to come in a packet just like this. It's all sealed up. We do have a syringe in here, and what the syringe is for, it's going to allow me to, once I'm through with the water right here, the water straw, it allows me to backflow it. I'm going to shoot water through here to clean it out, and then I'm going to go ahead and use a syringe too with just air to go ahead and kind of dry the inside of it out a little bit, and then I'll seal it up and I'll be done. You can put a water bottle in here, just your standard water bottle into the end. It does have some threads, or you could put this directly into the water source, maybe a lake or stream, something like that. So what I've done is I've taken some dirt, I put in here. I want to demo it and show you just kind of how the water is going to look like when it does come out. We're going to take this off. We're going to go ahead and just screw that in here. Make sure it's nice and tight and sealed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this upside down. Now I've never used this filter, so it's kind of dry. I'm going to get it nice and wet. You can see how nasty the water is, and look how it's coming out. Nice and clear. I mean, that is really good. Now when you're through with your water straw and you want to go ahead and clean it out, you're going to go ahead and just put some clean water into your syringe. You're going to put it into the drinking end. Get in there good and tight. We're going to fill it full of clean water, and sometimes it might take 1 or 2 times. I'm going to do it one more time. We've got clean water coming out of it. Now what I'm going to do is just put air in there, and then that's your last step. And just kind of get that extra water out of there. That way we make sure it's good and dry. Just like that, just a few times. And when you've done all that, go ahead and just put the caps on there, store it up, and you're ready to go. So whether you're camping, hiking, you want something maybe for an emergencies, or like maybe like me, you're going to go hunting or something like that, and you're not going to be near a clean water source, this is the way to go. Hope you found this review helpful.